Do you know that there's an AI that can create 100% SEO optimized and humanly written content like for you for 100% free? Yes, you heard me right. There's an AI software that I just find out. Trust me, this AI is pretty new in the industry. And since I've been using this AI, all the content I've been creating with this AI are working 100% well when it comes to search engine ranking, driving real-time traffic, and even when it's being read by human, you won't even know that this content was actually created by an AI. And that's the AI I'm going to share with you in this video. So hello guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I mainly focus on blogging tips and content creation tips on how you and I can grow online and how we can start making money on the internet. So if you find this helpful and you need more sort of content in this category, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and then tell me what you feel down in the comment section. As we go straight to today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create 100% lengthy SEO optimized content that sounds like human with the help of an AI. Trust me, this will really take you one of the shortest time ever to create a well quality article. And personally, I have used this AI to create so many articles for my website, for my various websites, and all the content are doing well, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So without further ado, I say let's get straight to today's video. Let me take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can use this AI to create 100% SEO optimized content. So hello guys. So in this video, I'm literally going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create highly SEO optimized content using AI. Very simple. You don't have to master any sort of prompt, as I already said in the intro. So without taking much of your time, I'm just going to take you straight to the particular AI, show you how you can sign up for 100% free and then start creating content. You can see this one content that actually use the help of that particular AI to actually create. And if you come and read through this content, you realize that the content is 100% well optimized for search engine. So you can see this blog post here was 100% written by an AI, by that particular AI, and it's indexed. Trust me, there's less than 30% of human work in this particular content. Here the content is well optimized and look great. So you can also see that it got indexed on search engine. You can see it here, how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. You can see it got index and everything is working all right with the particular article. So now I'm also going to show you how you can also create yours very simple and fast. So to get started with that, I'm just going to switch to a different browser. So let me just come over to this browser here. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up for this AI. So I'm simply going to search for the particular AI called Gravity Right. So I know I've talked about this AI in one of my past videos, but trust me, the approaches for creating SEO optimized content with this AI is way more different from the usual one that I told you. That usual one takes every single step in creating a high quality blog post from start, from the title, subheadings, everything. But with the SEO optimized system, it doesn't take that approach. It goes straight ahead and give you the exact content you need with just a single keyword that you insert in it. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section, because I'll be dropping I drop 2 to 3 videos every week on YouTube here just about blogging and online business ideas. So if you don't want to miss out, don't forget to smash on that subscribe button. So now once you come over to that sign up page, you can simply hit here to sign up with your Google account, or simply fill in your information one after the other. So for me, I'm just going to use the sign up with Google, so it will be very easy and fast. After that, I'm going to pick up the email. So after that, you can see it's straight ahead, very easy to sign up. And with this AI, there are a lot of things you can do. You can see image from social media too. There are a lot of things inside this particular AI called Gravity Right. So it's 100% free. You can go on their website and sign up. They are not sponsoring me. I don't have any sort of deals with them. So now once you come over here, what you actually need to do is take a look at this left hand side. This way you get to see all the tools. You can see advertising tools, blog tools, copywriting, e-commerce. So there are a lot of tools here that you can actually use for various. You can see SEO tools, clickbait, title generator, create topical map, keyword cluster, long tail keyword generator, meta title and description, Quora answer. So there are a lot of things that this AI actually does for you. But in this video, I'm going to focus more on the blog post tools. And then the main thing we are focusing on here is simply using the SEO optimized blog post. This one will actually help you create 100% SEO optimized blog post with just a single keyword phrase. So for example here, now we'll have to enter a particular single keyword that will foster the sort of article I actually need from this AI. Over here now, I'm just going to enter my keyword, and my keyword is how to. The keyword is simply how to stay motivated as a blogger. okay, as a content creator, okay, let me just use the word blogger. So as a content creator, so you can see you simply enter your keyword here, how to stay motivated as a content creator, how to stay motivated as a content creator. After that, I simply hit on create, and then you can enter as many keywords at all you want here, because this is the keyword that the article is actually, the AI is going to break into every single session of the article to make sure that your article is well optimized for search engines and human readability also. So you can enter as many keywords as you want related to this particular topic here. So after that, I simply hit on enter, then this AI is going to help you generate the whole article in a short time. You can see it's still going. So you can see it's actually going and also giving related content that you can actually link the article to, and this one will help you create more sort of content from this recommended. So if you take a look at the content right now, you can see the AI is done generating every single thing you requested for. You can see how long the article is. Say alternative title, fueling your creative fire, how to stay motivated as a content creator. So you can see very simple and straightforward. Or you can see this other title, how to stay motivated as a content creator, tips for sustaining passion and productivity. And after you see, it gives you the table of contents. And if you come over to my website, you know that every single article I publish have its own table of content. You can see, so there is a tool that automatically does this, and I'll be linking to that particular video where I shared the plugin with you that you can actually use to get your table of content 100% free. Because table of content makes it easy for users to actually navigate through your website. So you can see it just generated the whole article right now. Welcome to the world of content creation, where words, images and ideas have the power to captivate and inspire. As a content creator, your ability to produce, so it literally gives you well humanly written content. Trust me, these are sort of content that are actually directly speaking to fellow humans, so that people won't even get to know that these articles were AI generated or they were humanly written, because it uses a real-time human model to actually help you create this sort of content, to make sure that you are getting the sort of content you request from it. And it's really simple and straightforward. Anyone at all can do this, provided you not skip any part of this video. So after generating all the articles you want here like this, all you can simply do here is simply hit here to copy it to your clipboard, and then go and paste it on wherever you want to paste it, or simply use this button here. And then this button is going to help you download it as a TXT file, so you can just open it up. So let me just open it up. So this is it. Let me just open it up. You can see this is the whole article downloaded in here. So you can see it's stretched out, it's very long. You can see this is a whole article actually formatted in here, and you can also create this sort of content very easy and simple. So this is simply all about this video when it comes to creating SEO optimized content using AI. It's very simple and straightforward. There's nothing complicated about the process. All you simply have to do is just follow all the approach that I just shown you right now, and you are good to go. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.